What up, YouTube? I just want to add a little something for my unboxing of the Repair Business Toolkit. I found out two more things that I didn't notice. That giant toilet paper roll looking thing, like the cardboard thing, had a poster in it. And this is the poster right here. Repair Manifesto. So that's what was inside the toilet paper roll looking thing. And also, I was also wondering where the heater, the eye opener for the to be able to heat up the phone, the size of the phone, so you could pry it open in the first place. I'm like, where the heck is that thing? I totally forgot about it. I looked at the list online, and you guys could look at the link down there. I put the iFixit's official website link to the business toolkit, and yes, just so you guys know, if you guys buy it, it's in the small pocket in the front. And also look at this little pocket in the way in the back, and out comes the little eye opener. Because I'm like, where the heck is it? I'm like, how the heck am I gonna do a screen repair if I can't even open up the screen? So there it is, the iFixit eye opener. This is basically like that gel-like substance or whatever that you heat up in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and then you put it on the cell phone on one side, and then pry that side open, and then do it again on the other side. And yeah, this is just to help you heat up the glue, the adhesive tape on your in your cell phone that you're working on, so you could pry it open with the suction cups and the guitar picks. So yeah, just want to add that on. Thanks for watching this YouTube video. Like, dislike, subscribe, whatever you want. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.